Again, we can go there. Slashing. Again, we'll do a GL account posting. How to do a GL account posting? What is the T code? Now tell me.
FB50.
Correct.
FB50.
Correct. FB50. Again, we'll do purchase account debit, cash account credit. Yes. Now, amount again, we can give 15,000. Enter. Okay, entry is required. Enter. Enter. It is green now. Yes, it is green. Everything is okay. And then see SAN1, Sanika Kirti, and then we can, yes. Now, we have posted it already by clicking here post. Let's say you don't want to post. You are not sure whether to post 15,000 or not. What will you do? You can park it. Can you see park here, everyone? Can you see park?
Yes.
Click on park.
Yes, sir.
Click on park.
Yes, sir.
Now see, document 10001 SAN1 was parked. How to see this now again? What is the T code for reporting? Tell me. Reporting के लिए T code क्या है?
FBL3N.
FBL3N.
Very good. FBL3N. Now, you cannot see it in open items. You cannot see it in cleared items. You cannot see it in all items also. If you go to open items, you won't be able to see that. 15,000, which we just parked, we cannot see it. Where will you see it? You have to scroll down. Can you see parked items? Click on parked items. Can you see parked items? Click on parked items. Remove the normal items and execute. Can you see? This is the parked document, 15,000. Yes or no? And it will show you in yellow. Yellow. Yes or no? Like a yellow triangle. And clear, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Now,
Yes,
if
sir.
you go back, if you go remove the parked item, go to open items, and if you go here, sure, normal items you have to select, and now execute. Yes, you will see the green tick because it has already been posted. If it is posted, you will see the green tick. Okay. Now the document is parked, and your manager says parked document is okay. Can you post it now? How will you post the parked document? How will you post the parked document? There is a T code for it. FBV0. Let me see if it's correct. FBV0. Yes, can you see? FBV0. Yes. We'll go to FBV0. FBV0. Enter. SAN1 is company code. Document number is 1001. Fiscal year is 2026. 2026. Enter. Yes. Now it has taken us back to our GL account document posting area. Now we can go and change it also. We can change the amount also. We have learned how to park it. We can change the amount. Let's say your manager says make it 10,000, not 15,000. 10,000. Okay. Make it 10,000. Again, somebody has removed it. Tolerance range, someone has removed it. So we have to go back. OB 57. King. We'll make it SAN1 again. Yes, and then save. Because King has so many users, no? That's why it's coming like that. So every time you have to enter it. Let's go back. Go here. Oops. Enter. What does it say? No amount tolerance range. Again, you have to go /n. Again, we'll go back. FBV0 to post the park document. Yes. 2026. Enter. Now we are back here again. The manager says change it. 10,000. 10,000. Yes. Correct. 10,000. Yes or no? Now it is green again. Yes or no? Now you've learned how to park it, how to change it, and then again you can post it from here. Yes. Post. Continue. Yes or no? It is posted now. Now how to see the posted doc? What is the T code for reporting again? Tell me.
FBL3N.
Yes. FBL3N. FBL3N will go. Now, if you go to open items, you should see two documents. Can you see? One is this earlier, which one we posted, then we parked the second one, then we changed it, and then we posted it. Yes or no? So total items to be cleared are total is 20,000 remaining. Yes, 10 and 10. Yes or no? Clear everyone? And document type is SA. Yes, no?